Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from group 5. We'll present about comparative and superlative irregular adjective and adverbs. I am Resma Dewi Nur Fitri, Sundira and Fauzan from this group. Okay everyone, let's begin. Adjective and adverbs can be used to make comparison. They are used to show what is different or similar about two or more things. There are three kinds of possible comparison: equal, comparative, and superlative. Comparative adjectives and adverbs are used to compare difference between two things. They are used in sentences where two nouns are compared. Superlative adjectives and adverbs are used to describe comparison between three or more things. They are used in sentences where a subject is compared to a group of objects. There are some irregular adjectives and adverbs. They don't make the comparative or superlative the same way which other ones do. Their comparative and superlative forms have to be remembered. Let's look at the following table. There are some regular forms, comparative forms, and superlative forms. And for comparative example, you play tennis better than me. For another example, this sweater is less expensive than that one. And for superlative example, today is the worst day I've had in a long time. And another example, she has to travel farthest of anyone in the office.
Okay, for the next chapter is about comparing in other ways. In this section consists of 6 points, and each point there will be some example so you can understand correctly. Okay. Number 1 is when we want to indicate something is getting progressively more or less. We repeat the comparative with, and the meaning in bahasa we can call it sesuatu itu berubah, baik itu ke arah yang lebih banyak ataupun sedikit. The formula is just repeat the comparative with in. Now for the example is the water was getting deeper and deeper. Air itu semakin dalam. The meaning in bahasa like that. Nah, the second example is it was raining more and more heavily. The meaning in bahasa is hujannya semakin deras. Nah, okay. Next, number 2 is to compare things in a negative way. We use less blah 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 than. The meaning in bahasa is untuk membandingkan sesuatu dalam kalimat negatif. Okay, for the example is Tom was less optimistic than Andy. Nah, in positive sentences we can use Andy was more optimistic. Nah, we also use not as blah 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 as for a negative comparison. Kita juga dapat menggunakan not as blah 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 as untuk membandingkan sesuatu yang negatif. For the example is Bill is not as successful as his brother. In positive sentences we can use his brother is more successful. Number 3, to compare two equal or nearly equal things we use as blah 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 as. For the example, Antonia is as tall as Jane. Antonia's tall is same with Jane. Next, number 4 is we can qualify comparative with adverbial, such as a bit, a lot, much, and far before the comparative form. Okay, for the example is Ken was a bit fatter than before. Seorang Ken kelihatan lebih gemuk daripada sebelumnya. That the meaning in bahasa. For the second example is the strong family are far richer than they born. Okay, we can qualify superlative with bilateral. So, for the example, the footballer was by far the richest man at the party. For negative comparisons, we can also use not nearly blah 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 as blah 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 as, and for less blah 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 than. For the example is Helen is not nearly as generous as Elizabeth. The second example is Bernard was far less amusing than David. Nah, seorang Bernard cukup tidak menghibur daripada David. Okay, thank you.
Okay, the next point is we can make phrases using comparative with the better. Kita bisa membuat ungkapan perbandingan dengan the better. Example, the bigger the better. Lebih besar, lebih baik. Kalimat the bigger the better merupakan kalimat kooperatif yang mana sebelum dirubah ke dalam bentuk kooperatif, kata bigger itu adalah bing. Dikarenakan kata bing itu merupakan satu suku kata yang terdiri dari huruf konsonan plus vokal plus huruf konsonan, maka ditambahin huruf akhir konsonan menjadi bigger. The next point is to indicate that to think change the sum right we use the blah blah er, the blah blah er, or the more blah blah the more. Example, the more veteran William is the more angry Mary gets. Semakin sabar William, semakin marah Mary. Jadi the more biasanya, the more lebih umumnya digunakan untuk dua suku kata. Note atau catatan, kita bisa mencampurkan perbandingan positif dengan perbandingan negatif. Contohnya, the more fragrant the rose is the less beautiful. Semakin harum mawarnya, makin kurang indah. Perbandingan kalimat positifnya itu semakin harum, negatifnya semakin kurang. That's all group can say more or less